Wood windows are good for historic homes because people want to keep that same look or that same aesthetic, and you really can't match what wood does. You can stain wood, it can be scratched and sanded and restained, and you can really match the way that it was, the old windows. You can get an exact match to having them look just like they were before, so it could give the appearance that it's the original windows from whenever that home was built, because they can match the wood types and they can match the stains and colors. Yeah, and so I mean they set those rules. So you're doing a historic restoration. A lot of times it is the wood clad that's required because they want to keep they want to keep that look. And we just look to the rules that the architect has in place or the person heading up the project. It doesn't always require that you use wood-clad windows, but that's typically what drives it, is just those parameters.